Hey everyone, it's Dr. Clark, and we are jumping into Chapter 3, Woohoo! And as promised, we are going to start off with a bang, and we are going to start learning about verb conjugation. So here we go. You learned in the previous chapter that nouns and adjectives decline. They take different endings. Verbs also take different endings, but with verbs we call this conjugation. And we can start out with the infinitive of a verb. The infinitive is the dictionary form of a verb, or what you might call the base form. It's the unconjugated form. It's the English equivalent to do something. So to be, to run, to walk, to read, to swim, to dance, those are all infinitives. And Russian also has an infinitive. And most Russian infinitives are going to end in te mягкий знак. So быть is to be, читать is to read, любить is to like or to love. The infinitive in Russian, like with English, is often used after words like to want to do something or to like to do something. For example, я хочу писать. I want to write. Я люблю писать. I like to write. If we have another verb like хочу, I want, or люблю, I like, then we're going to follow it with a verb in the infinitive in this dictionary form or base form, which is normally going to end in te mягкий знак. Russian has 6 forms in the non-past. Your textbook calls it the present, but that's a little bit disingenuous. Russian really only has 2 tenses from the point of view of verb conjugation. It can indicate 3 tenses. It can indicate past, present, and future, but there are only 2 sets of endings for verbs, past and non-past. And we'll get into all of that later. Right now, all you need to worry about is the fact that unlike with, say, a Romance language where you might have 15, 16, 18 different verb conjugation forms, verb endings to memorize, in Russian, it's just 2, past and non-past. And in the non-past, so the non-past can indicate either present or future, depending on other stuff that we'll talk about later. There are 6 forms, 1 for each personal pronoun type. And we have a chart here that shows all 6 types of personal pronouns. So first person singular, я, second person singular, ты, third person singular is он, he, она, she, оно, it, and кто, who. And кто always takes masculine endings, and this will be important later. So just at the moment, remember that кто is always masculine, even if it ends up referring to a woman. And then we have мы, we, вы, you plural or you formal, and они, they. So that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will actually get into how to conjugate verbs in the non-past.